Hello, friend. My name is Faye, and in this particular video, we're gonna learn about the second type of sort is insertion sort. For this algorithm, I'm not gonna use visualization because I think the best thing to understand insertion sort is to tracing it by ourselves. Okay. For your slides, it's explained, but I think the best thing to explain it is by imagine it like this. Okay. Imagine your array. Imagine your array will always comparing the current index to the index before it. If it's smaller or higher value, then it will swap the places. I think just by the words is really hard to explain insertion sort. And for searching, for this sort, we gonna try to trace it. Okay, so this is our algorithm, and this is our sort. Okay, this is our array. Okay, we have 9, 3, 2, 2, 1, 6, 8, 7, 11, 12. And for our first iteration, as you look in this algorithm, we're gonna set the temporary variable in our current comparison. So now we are on index 1, which has a value of 3 here. And what insertion sort does is comparing to all comparing to the index before it. Okay, so we have this 9 value, which is index 0. And what we do is we compare it 3 with 9. Okay, because we want this ascending array, we first we set our temporary with current index value. Okay, why we need temporary variable? Because temporary variable is made for us to comparing algorithm. So if you read the line 27, we have X array J higher than larger than temp variable. Okay, so temporary variable is used to comparing our value. We're not comparing our current array. What we compare is our temporary. So a simple in our array, we start from the first index and comparing it to the before, compared to the index before it. But for the comparison, we use temporary variable and we set the value each iteration with the current index. That's how we do it. So now we have temporary with the value of 3, and after that we compare it with the index before it, which is which has value of 9. And because 9 is higher, we override our current index with 9. Okay, listen to me. Override our current index. Okay, we're not swapping, we're not do anything fancy. Literally override it like this. X array j plus 1 equals to xrj, our before our array. Okay, so our current index will be override with our comparison value. Okay, that's how you do for insertion sort. And at the end of the comparison, we're gonna override where we stops. Okay, the index where we stops with temporary variable. So we can say that it's swapping, but it's only swap in the last time. Okay, we're not swapping its time, but we just comparing every single time, but we swap only once. Okay, okay, get it? That's as slow as I can explain. And now we're gonna trace because we already start on the second index, index one, and after that we start from index 2, which is here, has a value of 2. We compare it to the 9, okay? Because 9 is larger, then we overwrite the 2 with 9. After that, we compare it with 3. Our current index is on index 2, and we overwrite with 3 because 3 is larger. We have 3, 2, and now, because we get to our last iteration, we stops, and we override it with our temporary. It gets 2, 3, 9, okay? That's what you do every iteration, okay? So, we have 2 right now. We start here, compare, replace it with 9 because 9 is larger. We have here, but we compare it with value of 2. So 3 is still larger. We overwrite this with 2, with 3. And after that, we compare it here. Nothing changed. We overwrite here with value of our temporary. Okay, that's how you do it. And after that, we start from the fourth index, index 4 here. We compare it to 9. 9 is larger, we overwrite with 9. Now we on index 3, now we are on index 3, and we compare it with the value of our temporary with 3. 3 is larger, we overwrite the index 3, and after that, we compare it with 2. 2 is larger, overwrite with 2, same here, overwrite with 2. Last iteration, we stop, we assign the value of where we stop with temporary value, which is 1. We get 1, 2, 2, 3, 9. Like that until the last iteration here on 12. Okay, so that's for insertion sort, and I hope you understand it because that's the literally insertion sort is the theory. It's all about theory and the concept. And time searching for exercising is literally the same. The algorithm will always the same. What you change is the value in comparison. Something like this. If you want to compare age, then it will be age, okay? Or maybe person, age, something like that. If you have array of structure. So that's all for sorting. And it's our last video for Alpro 2. That's all. Thank you.